Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss any of our future videos. Like the video. I'm trying to find out the kind of content you guys love and watch on this channel. So by liking these videos, then I know the kind of content that you guys enjoy. So in today's video, today's Monday the 3rd of October. It's still early in the morning where I am in South Africa. It's still early in the morning, but however, I saw a good setup. I think it's a good setup for scalping, because this is silver, and I noticed that on most currencies it's just around 80ish, and there was a huge spike that just happened. And the good thing about spikes is usually there there is usually a retest for a spike. That's a good thing about spikes. So you can usually scalp spikes. Maybe I should have done this on gold, but sometimes I just enjoy a silver. Silver, silver, silver. Let's say silver, silver, silver. You can write in the comment section box below. Silver, silver, silver. Why do I enjoy trading silver? Unlike most other forex pairs, silver, you find that the pip value on a silver is just good. If you manage to catch a good trade, a good setup on silver, the pip value, it pays the bills. It's good, but obviously also like what I'm having here, if you kind of find yourself on the wrong side of the market, then there's also potential of quickly blowing your account. It's like a double-edged sword. You can easily make money with it, but it's also a dangerous pair to be trading if you don't know what you are doing. Silver does move in the direction of gold. Usually it does move in the direction of gold. It does move in the direction of GBP USD, Euro USD. It has got a negative correlation with the US dollar. So whatever the US dollar will be doing, you just try to do the opposite on silver, like you do on gold or Euro USD, GBP USD, and stuff like that. The problem, however, with silver is that it's a very small market. I think I've mentioned it in a previous video. It's a very small market, so it doesn't tend to just like spike and go, like take off like what gold does. It doesn't just take off like most forex pairs, but it loves to take its time. That's one thing about silver. And I think also the spread, you need to be careful with the spread. Don't trade it when there's higher, like a bigger spread. So you just want to mind the spread. You want to mind if gold is taking off, silver will not quickly take off as well, but it will take off after gold. If gold is dropping, you might find that silver is not dropping, like, and you wonder what's happening. But eventually it goes there. It's like the relationship between GBP USD and Euro USD. Sometimes you find that GBP USD is kind of a smaller market than Euro USD. So you find that it's usually easier for GBP USD to take off, and Euro USD is still at like the starting line, like nothing is happening. Then eventually Euro USD also takes off, because it's like a deeper market, your Euro USD compared to GBP USD. So that's kind of a relationship that you find on between gold and silver. So yeah, not let's see whether it's going to be the beginning of a good week. This is the week for NFP as well, so let's see if I'm going to be able to scalp this. I'm just hoping that we can have a candle or two to to just retest that massive breakout candle that happened there. That's what usually happens, so that's what I'm gambling on. Let's see if I'm not going to lose in front of the millions and millions that are going to watch this video, which is going to be kind of embarrassing, but well, is part of the business. If you're not going to win every day, but you try to take calculated risks. So I believe we are at that point, midpoint. We need to kind of come back a bit down and test and retest that breakout candle that broke out there. I think most breakout candles, they usually come with a retest of some sort, so let's see what happens with that. I don't know, I was going to be singing for you, but I don't know if I'm that good a singer, so maybe in editing I'll try to speed up the video so that however long it takes, at least you don't spend more than let's say more than 10 minutes on the video, but we'll see. Otherwise, guys, let's see what happens. What do you think is going to happen here? Leave your comment in the comment section below. Comment silver. I don't know if you've tried to trade silver yourself, or if you've been looking into it. Yeah, if you can trade gold, you can trade silver. Silver just requires a bit of more patience. Like I said, when gold is spiking and taking off and stuff like that, silver is like, yeah, I'll catch you guys later. I'll catch you. It does catch up a little bit later, but yeah, I just enjoy the peep value that you get with silver. It's good. It pays bills. It pays the bills. So yeah. Did I ask you to subscribe? Yes, subscribe if you're new on this channel, so that you don't miss future videos. Like the video so that I know the kind of content, if you enjoy this kind of content, so that I keep making more videos that you guys enjoy. Otherwise, guys, maybe when I edit this video at this point, I'll add some music and maybe just speed up the video so that we don't spend the whole day here. And I'll also be doing some managing of the trades later on when I'm satisfied with the profit. So maybe just pay attention if I speed up the video in editing, because I don't know how long it's going to take for that retest candle that I'm anticipating to happen. Otherwise, guys, let me just leave you to it.
I think that we've all had enough. Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me letting go, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass half wish. I know, it's easy. But now, yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah.